Hey guys, it's Cameron and welcome back to another Christmas video. Welcome to day number 3 of Cameron Miss. You guys are watching this video on December 6th. So yeah, this is for December the 6th. Yep, you guys are definitely watching this video on December 6th. I hope you all are doing well today, whatever it is you guys are doing. And I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, whatever it is you guys are doing as well. Today's video, I'm going to tell you guys 2 scary blizzard stories. So yeah, I'm going to tell you guys 2 scary blizzard stories for today's video. And hi guys, like my Christmas, this sweater I'm wearing. So yeah, hi guys, like this Christmas sweater I'm wearing. It has Snoop Dogg on it. And I got this for my birthday 2 years ago. So yeah, I did get this for my birthday 2 years ago. Yep, it has Snoop Dogg on it. So how you guys like this Christmas sweater I'm wearing? And before I start this video, I got me some coffee. I got me some iced coffee to drink, even though I only have a little bit left. And it tastes real good too. You guys know I love iced coffee so much, but I still like coffee hot whenever it's cold outside. And hold on a second. Sorry about that. I have to turn on my fan because I'm hot in this sweater. Yeah, I feel kind of hot in this sweater. But without further ado, let's get started with these 2 scary blizzard stories. Number 1, a man was driving home from work in a snowy blizzard. And while he was driving back home from work in the snowy blizzard, he had to drive by a wooded area. And it was there was a lot of snow falling down from the sky as he was driving through the snowy blizzard on his way back home from work to get home to his wife and kids. Yeah, he needed to get back home to his wife and kids. As he's driving by the wooded area, he saw something that ran across the street and back into the woods. Yeah, he saw something that ran across the street and back into the woods. It sent a chill down his spine. It looked like it was like a Sasquatch. It felt like he saw a Sasquatch run past the street and back into the woods. He was really freaked out, but he was kind of almost on his way back home. Finally, he made it back home to his house, and he was telling his wife and kids what happened while he was driving home in a blizzard back home from work. He told them that he saw a creature that ran past the street and back into the woods. His kids and his wife were in shock whenever he told them what happened. They also thought it was Sasquatch. Maybe it could have been a Sasquatch. I think it was. I don't know. But yeah, he was so freaked out because of what happened whenever he was driving in the wooded area during the blizzard storm. Maybe it was a Sasquatch that he saw. It probably must have been a Sasquatch that he saw whenever he was driving past the wood area back to his house on his way home from work. I have to get some more of my iced coffee. But yeah, the man was freaked out by the creature that ran past the street and back into the woods. Maybe it was a Sasquatch that he saw. Yeah, he was still afraid of what happened whenever he got back home from work during the blizzard storm. Yeah, he was still freaked out because of what happened. Okay, story number 2. A woman was driving back home from her friend's party during a snowy blizzard storm. While she's driving on the road, she saw something on the road and it suddenly vanished. Yeah, she saw something on the road and it suddenly vanished. And it was wearing a white dress. Yeah, she saw something wearing a white dress on the road and it suddenly vanished. Yeah, it vanished whenever she saw it. Yeah, she was freaked out by that thing. I think it was a ghostly figure on the road and it vanished. So yeah, she was trying to get back to home to her husband. Yeah, she was trying to get back home to her husband that night. And she was freaked out by the ghostly figure that vanished on the road. Finally, she makes it back to her house and she tells her husband what happened. She was telling her husband she saw a ghostly figure in wearing a white dress and it suddenly disappeared. Her husband also thought it was a ghost, in which it was a ghost. Yeah, she did see a ghost on the road whenever she was driving back home from her friend's party during that blizzard snowstorm. Yeah, she saw that she saw a ghostly figure wearing a white dress and it suddenly disappeared on the road. Yeah, she was really freaked out by it. Yeah, her husband thought it was a ghost, in which it was. It was a ghost that she saw on the road and it suddenly vanished. Yeah, that's what she saw on the road. A ghostly figure wearing a white dress and it suddenly vanished. And her husband was telling her everything was going to be okay and she was finally safe back home. Yeah, she was finally safe back home. And yeah, she was still freaked out by what she saw on the road whenever she was driving back home from her friend's party. Okay, I guess I put it into it there, so hold on a sec. Just wanted to get more of my coffee. Even though it's about to be gone. I hope you guys enjoyed day number 3 of Cameron Miss. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy this video. And subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. So you guys don't miss a new video I post every single week. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys, and don't forget to stay creepy.